In our recent video, we have shown you the 5 most useful extensions for 2022. This is the part 2 of that video. In this video, we will show you 5 more useful Chrome extensions that can help to improve the functionality of your browser. So let's get started. Mercury Reader. Mercury Reader is great for those Chromium based browsers that have yet to add a reader mode. At Chrome, this extension cleans up a web page, removing all the clutter, making an article easier to read with less distraction. When looking at an article, to activate Mercury Reader, click their icon to the right of the address bar. As you can see, with the clutter removed, this article is more readable than before. In the upper right of the article, when you click the setting icon, you can change the size of the text to either small, medium, or large. Your choice for typography are serif and sans, and you can choose between a light or dark theme. I don't care about cookies. You have all seen those cookies warning banner that pop-ups on website asking you to accept before using their site. They have not had the intended effect except just to annoy us. The I don't care about cookies extension will remove those warning banners that pop up almost all websites. So you don't ever have to see them again. Just install the extension and forget about it. There's nothing more that you need to do. Grammarly. Grammarly is a fantastic extension that will help to eliminate spelling and other writing errors. It can be used on those sites where you can write on the web, including Google Docs, Gmail, Twitter, and Facebook. It's so easy to use. Just look for the error underlined in the red, then hover your cursor over those errors to see the suggested fixes to correct those issues. Click the corrected text in the green to fix the problem. Awesome Screenshot and Screen Recorder. Awesome Screenshot and Screen Recorder is another great extension. It's great for browsers like Chrome that lack a proper screenshot tool with the ability to record both audio and video within your browser. To take a screenshot of any web page, click the icon to the right of the address bar. Make sure the Capture tab is selected. You have 3 choices: visible part, full page, and selected area. Make your selection. I will go with the visible part. They have multiple features like crop, pen tool, and highlighter. In addition, if you plan to record your screen, after selecting their icon, select the Record tab. Choose whether you want to save your video to the cloud or locally to your computer. If you plan to use a microphone or camera, you will need to grant access and then choose your max resolution. When you are done with that, click Start Recording. Extensity. You may have heard that having too many extensions enabled can slow down your browser. This is especially true. Extensity makes it quicker and easier to enable the extensions you need and to disable that ones you don't need at the moment. To enable or disable any extension, select the Extensity icon. This will list all the extensions you have installed. You will notice that those extensions are not enabled or grayed out. To disable any extension, simply click on the Activate one, and to enable any extension that is disabled, click on it to activate it. If you have a lot of extensions installed, Extensity is a must-have that will save you a lot of time. Thanks for watching. Links to all mentioned in the description. If this video is useful for you, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. What is your favorite Chrome extension? Let us know about it in the comments. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe and ring the bell for more top 10s and other tech related stuff here on SoftAsia Tech.